Good morning, everyone. So today, the purpose of this video is to see what a basic ETL is: extract, transform, and load. We will be doing this with Docker, MySQL, and Python. So let's get started. We will need Docker, MySQL Workbench, Python, and pycharm. You can use anything else as well. I prefer pycharm. So now we will see what we are going to do. So you see three boxes here. These are Docker containers running MySQL. So for initial purposes, we want them we want ourselves to initialize these two containers to act as a source. We will have two sources. So what our scripts will do, they will extract data from these two sources. They will run a transformation on them. They will load that data into an application DB. So this DB is now ready to be consumed by our application directly. Fine. So what are the purposes of all these things? To prevent application connecting to multiple sources, uh, saving expensive calculations and things like that. Fine. We will now jump to hands-on. So you will see here we are using MySQL from the Docker. We will get things started. First, we are initializing a source 1, which we are calling it as Olympic Mart. Now we are initializing a second source, University Mart. And now we can even do this later as well, but fine. We are initializing our destination as well. Okay, so now if we see, our containers are created. You see University Mart, Olympics Mart, Application DB. These three are there running on 3001 and 2. Fine. So now let's get started. We will activate a virtual environment, that is easier. Then we will load data. Initialize Olympics. Fine. Root. This is localhost 3000 it is. So this particular script is initializing data from the SQL scripts and moving them to our database here. Fine. Now we will execute same way, initialize universities. In localhost, this time it is 3001. So that is the difference. Okay, so now what we have data loaded to two of our sources, 3000 and 3001, which are nothing but Olympics and university. We will check them once. We have this thing. Fine. Also data is there in university as well, no problem. And we will also see, we'll verify. Okay, fine, this is empty. Now we will run our transformation. transform. Okay. Same, same. This one is on 3002. We want it to call application. Fine. Let's see. Okay, we have something called application with two tables. We have this transform data long list of. We don't need to go back to sources again. That's what advantage of ETL processes. We have the stream of data, what we want, what our applications want. This was it. So now in future I will plan to do this on cloud, on any cloud it may be. There are some platforms, data AWS, GCP, Azure, whatever. I will plan to do this on a provider, any cloud. And second thing, you may be wondering what these scripts are. Fine. These are the scripts which do the entire core heavy load. So these scripts, um, cloud providers or such platforms have um, facilities to auto run, scheduled run, like that. So that is a good feature of them. We can run it daily once, monthly once, like that. Another thing you may be thinking of, why do we have this everything ready here? Uh, because I wanted to consume as much as less time as possible. Uh, so that's it for today. We'll catch up soon. Bye.